If you step in to protect someone else, your child, your spouse, a friend, even a stranger, Texas law does recognize your right to defend that person, but the law also draws some clear lines about when that use of force or deadly force is legally justified. I'm going to be explaining today Texas Penal Code Section 9.33, defense of third person, and how that works, what it means if you've been charged after trying to help somebody else. So, under Section 9.33, a person is justified in using force, even deadly force, to protect a third person if two things are true. First, under the circumstances as you reasonably believe them to be, you'd have to have been justified in using force or deadly force to protect yourself from the threat that you believe is being made against the other person. In other words, if you reasonably believe that someone is about to use unlawful force or deadly force against another person, Texas law allows you to step in the same way you could if that threat were aimed at you. Second, you must reasonably believe that your intervention is immediately necessary to protect that person. This is really important. It is not enough that the threat exists in general. The law focuses on what you reasonably believed at that moment and whether immediate action is required. These cases almost always come down to one thing: reasonableness. It's not perfect judgment, it's not hindsight, but whether your belief and your actions were reasonable under the stress, confusion, even the danger that's happening in that moment. If you acted to protect someone else and are now facing criminal charges like assault, aggravated assault, manslaughter, or even murder, you are not alone, and there are strong defenses available like this one. We've handled cases before where good people have had to make split-second decisions and protect loved ones and innocent persons. We've had murder cases dismissed here at our firm. If you're in that situation, definitely don't just watch this video and try to work it out on your own. Make sure to call an attorney, get a good analysis from a real attorney. If it's in the Houston area, we can sure help. Hopefully, you won't need our help, but I hope this brief explanation of a pretty quick law, it's only got two sections in it, and those are them basically. It's referring back to the self defense. You can use this to defend a third person. Thanks. And as always, again, these are for educational purposes. Hope you've enjoyed what you see. If so, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and follow us for more content. Thanks.